Here I have Huawei Y7a, and today I'm going to show you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to enter system and updates, then go to the language and input, language and region, add a language. Here you can see the whole list of languages in which you can set up your device. Let's select, for example, maybe Ukrainian, and then tap change, and after that system language will be changed to Ukrainian. If you want to turn it back to English, just go to the налаштування, then to the система оновлення, then мова та спосіб ведення, мова та регіон, and select English. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.